Hello everyone, Fizza is making Turkish Adana Kebab today. Fizza, please go ahead and show us how you are doing it.
Hi, first of all I will tell you the ingredients. We need onion, half a cup, green pepper, bell pepper, half a cup, red bell pepper, half a cup, and chili flakes, 1 teaspoon, 5 or 6 garlic cloves, sumak. It's a spice. You can get it from any Turkish store or Arabic store. Cumin powder, half a teaspoon. Salt, I took one teaspoon, but it's up to your taste. Half a teaspoon black pepper, a handful of parsley. And I'm making it with almost 2 pounds of beef. First of all, I will grind these. Now I add these red and green bell peppers into the meat. After this, I will grind parsley and onion.
Do you have to grind them separately or can we grind everything together?
Yes, you can grind everything together or in any order however you like. Now I add this onion and parsley into the meat. I took beef and it's a 30-70 mixture of beef, like 70% meat and 30% fat. For these kebabs, we need this much fat to make it chewy texture. After this, I will add all the dry spices, chili flakes, garlic powder, sumak, salt, and black pepper. I forgot to crush this. I will crush it now. I crush the garlic. I will add it to the meat. Now I will mix it into the meat. After mixing this, I will put it on the skewer. I will wet my hands. And put the meat on the skewer like this. Take off the excess. Our skewers are ready. Now we will grill the kebab. First I will spray some oil on the grill. Then put the kebab on it. almost after 5 minutes. I will turn the side. You can see one side is ready. After 2 or 3 minutes, you can place a charcoal like this to give the aroma of charcoal barbecue. Otherwise, you can barbecue on the charcoal grill, but I'm doing on the electric. That's why I put charcoal like this. I just spray a little oil on the top, then it will give a better aroma. Now you can see the kebabs are ready.
We have to keep checking, right, until they are ready.
Yeah. Here are the Adana kebab with grilled vegetables.
Thank you.